Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to master text animation in After Effects. So first of all, go to here. After that, click right button to opacity and position. So after that, go to opacity, put it to 0% and position to 100. Okay. After that, go to range scene selector and click on advanced and go to characters, change it to words and go to square to ramp up. After that, go to ease high, put it -30, and ease low, put it to +100. After that, go to offset, make it to -100, and then to 100. And now everything is done. Okay, thank you guys and goodbye.